Get ready for the dictation. Ready? Start. Here, learned advocates for the respective parties through video conferencing. Rule: learned APP waives service of notice of rule on behalf of the respondent state. This regular bail application is filed under Section 439 of the Code of Criminal Procedure for regular bail in connection with CR number 11204041200014 of 2020, registered with Mehemdabad Police Station, Kheda, for the offence punishable under section 406, 420, 467, 468, 471 and 114 of the Indian Penal Code. Learned advocate appearing on behalf of the applicant submits that considering the nature of offence, the applicant may be enlarged on regular bail by imposing suitable conditions. Learned additional public prosecutor appearing on behalf of the respondent state has opposed grant of regular bail looking to the nature and gravity of the offence. I have heard learned advocates appearing on behalf of the respective parties in the facts and circumstances of the case looking to the nature of offence, and that after conclusion of investigation charge sheet is filed without discussing the evidence in detail, this court is inclined to enlarge the applicant on regular bail on condition of his depositing rupees 1.50 lakh before the learned trial court. Hence, the present application is allowed and the applicant is ordered to be released on regular bail in connection with CR number 11204041200014 of 2020, registered with Mehemdabad Police Station, Kheda, on executing a personal bond of rupees 15,000 with one surety of the like amount to the satisfaction of the learned trial court, and subject to the conditions that he shall deposit rupees 1.50 lakh before the learned trial court within a period of 2 months. The learned trial court shall keep the amount in cumulative fixed deposit, and the same shall be subject to final outcome of the case. Not take undue advantage of liberty or misuse liberty. Not act in a manner injuries to the interest of the prosecution. Surrender passport if any of the lower court within a week. Not leave India without prior permission of the sessions judge concerned. Mark presence before the concerned police station on alternate Monday for initial 3 months, and thereafter on first Monday of every English calendar month for a further period of 3 months between 10 am and 2 pm. Furnished latest address of residence to the investigating officer and also to the court at the time of prosecution of the bond, and shall not change the residence without prior permission of the trial court. The authority will release the applicant only if he is not required in connection with any other offence for the time being. If breach of any of the above conditions is committed, the sessions judge concerned will be free to issue warrants or take appropriate action in the matter. Bail bond to be executed before the learned lower court having jurisdiction to try the case. It will be open for the concerned court to delete, modify, and or relax any of the above conditions in accordance with law. At the trial, learned trial court shall not be influenced by the observations of preliminary nature qua the evidence at this stage made by this court while enlarging the applicant on bail. Rule is made absolutely to the aforesaid extent. Registry to send the copy of the order to the concerned jail authority through fax and email.
तो गाइस ये थी हमारी डिक्टेशन जिसको हमने 6 मिनट कम में कंप्लीट किया है। सो इसकी टाइमिंग बनती है नियर 92 या 93 के आसपास। सो गाइस अगर आपको डिक्टेशन पसंद आई हो तो चैनल को लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करें, जो हमको मोटिव करेंगे और ज़्यादा डिक्टेशन बनाने के लिए, तो हम आपको और अच्छा मैटर प्रोवाइड करवाएंगे। सो गाइस आई होप यू गाइस आर लाइक माई वीडियो। अगर मैटर पसंद आया तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें ताकि ये मैटर औरों के पास भी पहुँचे। थैंक यू गाइस।